1.3 Part C College Algebra. Common formulas. So a literal equation is an equation that contains more than one variable. Many common types of geometric, scientific, and investment problems use ready-made literal equations called formulas. You've been doing these for years. You will be given a sheet for the following formulas. So starting here, you've got common formulas for area, perimeter, circumference, and volume here. So for a square, rectangle, circle, and triangle. You have used all of these in your previous math classes, but we're going to give you them. Now we move into the 3D shapes of volume. So you have a cube, a rectangular prism, technically, a circular cylinder, and a sphere. Here's some miscellaneous common formulas about temperature between Fahrenheit and Celsius, which you've probably done in science class at this point. And then simple interest. So that is very real life. And then compound interest. You'll learn this one anytime you buy a car or other big purchases like that. And it breaks it down to what each of these things mean. And then distance formula is rate times time. So here's an example. You have a cylinder can shown below, which has a volume of 200. So I'll go ahead and 200 cubic centimeters for the volume, radius of 4 centimeters, and they want you to find the height. So the formula for the volume of a cylinder is V equals pi r squared h. So to find the height of the can, solve for h. Now, you can do this at the start or you could do this later on. It doesn't matter. But we go ahead and show you that we can just solve for h, and then you're just plugging things in where they go. So if I do solve for h, v equals 200. So there is that. And then my r equals 4. And then I had to square that. And so that is what you're doing. You're simply putting things in their place and then doing the math using your calculator because of pi. And when you do that, you end up with 3.98 centimeters.